Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm not sure if you can see my head or not. It might be cut off. Anyway, there I are. How's you doing now? Anyway, just let me set that camera back up again where I want it. Yeah, that'll work. Anyways, welcome to my channel. I bought a tool rack off of off of Amazon, the glorified Wish. And anyway, this is what it's supposed to be. Not sure if you can see that or not because I'm not on this side of the camera. Anyway, it's a tool rack that goes on the wall. I'm going to mount it up here, and I'm just putting it together. So far it's not bad. I started it and I was going to take a video, and I said, I'm going to take a video today, Sunday, Lord's Day of Rest. But anyway, then I decided, yeah, maybe I'll do a video. So that's what I'm doing. So we got two sides mounted to the bottom rack. The bottom rack comes in two pieces. Those are mounted. Just two Allen bolts and a wrench. This is the wrench that they give you. It's maybe less thickness than a dime. It's high quality. This is already burred, and I haven't touched the screwdriver yet. I haven't seen any use for the screwdriver as of yet, actually. So we're on to step one was putting this together. Step two is putting this together. Now we got to do a rack, but I don't tell you what rack to do. Don't either. What in the Jiminy Crickets? Oh, it don't either. Imagine. So the two racks are different. One is just a plain rack. I think this one will go, maybe not. I don't know. And then the second rack has holes in it. Can y'all see that? So, how should it go, I wonder? Well, we can put screwdrivers up there if we wanted. I'll take my glasses off now to read these plans. Let's see. That rack shows nothing. Oh, looks like the one with the holes in it goes up top. So that's what we'll do. We'll give her a twist. Put that there. Turn her up. Over there. Moving up the bolts back. That plate over there. That plate over there too. Okay. Oh. There's that rack. Now, before I put that on, doop-de-doop-de-doo, goes on that side. Or I guess it really don't matter. So when you put the plate on, before you do put the plate on, put that fella in there. That's for your so I think this side will hold like handles to pliers. Stick the plier down through there like that. And this side is supposedly going to hold hammers. I don't know who's got hammer handles that small. But came from China, so maybe the Chinese got small hands. I don't know. Don't know nothing about them. They're over there on the other side of the world, doing their own thing. That one down, and another nut tightens that one down. The noise that you hear in the background is my wife just put in a load of laundry. I don't usually do videos in the basement, but because this is being mounted in the basement, because I have no heat, no constant heat in my garage or my barn all winter, I decided to bring my tools in out of it for the winter. Why is that so crooked? Because it's Chinese. I'll say that here before somebody says it in the comments. It's Chinese. Everything should be made in the US. Well, I'm Canadian. I'd like for everything to be made in Canada. But good luck with that. Apparently, this big country of ours don't have the resources. Yeah. Yippee-yi, yippee-yay. And we'll take the awesome tools that they provided us and we will tighten all that down. Which means just a couple turns, because if not, you're going to start pulling your nut through the actual frame. Let's see. Where are y'all watching from today? Anywhere? Nowhere? Is anybody watching? Probably not. That's no big deal. I make these videos for my own entertainment, really. On my other channel, I had a guy from the Netherlands, a big bad biker dude, tell me that I should stop making videos and I should get to work. Well, I own my own business and I don't need to work a lot. I'm kind of semi-retired. So, that guy can pan sand, if you know what I mean. There we go. Voila. That's it so far, bud. These don't line up very well. Alright, top shelf. I think top shelf is all that we need left to do. Top shelf. Top shelf. Oh yeah, these are for screwdrivers. It shows it now. I can see it in that other video, other picture. I got parts left over. What does that mean? Should take a look at them constructions again. So that's in there, that's in there, that's in there, that's in there. It's only 4 steps, 5 steps. Step 5 just shows it completed, but it don't say assembly steps, tips. Yeah. Well, this is the picture that I should have probably showed you. You see that? That's what this is going to be when it's done. I don't know what them hooks are for. There's some hooks there. Don't know what they're for. Don't know where they go. And I got got one nut left over and 3 bolts. Weird. So he knows how to count over there anyway. He knows how to count. That's all that matters, I suppose. All that matters, I suppose. Lots of tight, but don't want to crush it. None of it is straight, really. It's crooked as seam. China. Oh. Now, tighten up these ones over here. Them tools are really sharp on fingers, just like an A chord on your guitar. Alright, right down right there. There. So if you want to buy one of these, that's who makes it. You could order it on Amazon. On some pictures it'll show with DeWalt tools, other pictures will show the same exact one with Milwaukee tools, but anyway, that's who makes it. I'm with Tidy Home, Tidy Mind. I'm with, I don't know, it's all Chinese to me. Parts left over, 2 short nuts, 1 long, or 2 short bolts, 1 long bolt, and 1 nut. Perfect. Got a little bit of a bow in there. A little bit of a bow. That's fine. Throw that over there somewhere. Assembly's not required. It's all put together now. And them hooks, I don't know what to do with them hooks. Throw them there for now. Throw that there for now. Throw that there for now. Now, let's see. Put her up. That works for me right there. I can still put my saw up on the top. Screw guns put in there. Chest freezer cover, don't touch it. So we're good, we're good, we're good. All right, now. How am I going to mount it to the wall? Because that's concrete, you say. Well, let me tell you. I got some old pallet boards. I'm going to put them right up there. You see? Put them right up there, you see? Now. Center. I didn't bring in a measuring tape, so I'm going to use the hinge of my chest freezer and measure it across there, and that works. So now we just got to put these here boys on. Up, 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 and away. Work right there. Oh, let me see. Oh. Screw gun. My battery. These are all going to turn red pretty soon because they're starting to wear out. Never thought it. I got an old DeWalt one out there in my garage, or in my barn, sorry. That is from 2001, I believe it is. And anyways, that drill still kicks the shit out of any other drill that I got. But these ones, these new ones, the new and improved ones, ain't worth a lick. Let me tell you, ain't worth a lick. They do not stand up at all. All right. Screw in there. Let's see if I can't point the camera up there, make sure that you guys are getting the bird's eye view. Oh, maybe you are. Maybe you are right there. I think. We're screwing you out just like a true carpenter. Right there. Try that again. That one's for the blooper reel. So what I'll do is put it in reverse. Reverse myself a pilot hole. Kick her in the gear. Done like a dinner. Put her so that she looks like she's level. There we go. Now before I put the second screw in that to fix it, I'm going to put the other one up, and that way I can put this thing on and then put my screw in. Then put my screw in. Yeah. Reverse. There. It's good for the girls like wait. That light is on, I can't see. There, put her in gear. Screw home. Now says I. Some short screws there. That'll work fine. That'll work fine. Now, can I get my gun in there? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Now, we'll set this up where we want it to be. Wires in my way. Oh, yeah, man, this thing is out of whack. Altogether. Good old Amazon, top quality stuff. There, screw number 2, got a level. Level as my eye is. Douchey. Look at that, boys. Could you imagine? Look at that. All right, drive her home. Screws are a little bit too long. It's pushing the boards off, but that's fine. That's fine. All good. I'll put a shim in behind those. A little piece of strapping or something. That'll keep them steady, Freddy. Driving home. Gonna go in here with the gangster gunshot. Put the gun on the side because I can't fit it in there any other way. Light is in my eye. There we go. Here we go, Joe. There. A couple screws in each board and a holder. See, like I was like, this board is level, up and down, right? But that looks wonky. All right, it's twisted. Same with those shelves. This one goes up and that one's level. She's weird, and it's no good for me to lift up on that because it's just going to throw everything else out of whack. So we're going to leave it just like that. I'm going to situate the camera a little bit. A little bit of a glare there and there. Because of that light. I wonder if I turn off that light and turn on the other one. Oh. Let's watch this, boys. I got a light for my camera. Now it's dark, I can't see a button. There's that. How is that, Mr. Man? Actually, you know what? Perhaps I'll just leave these in my hand. Whoa. Whoa. There's a fellow that said on this camera might be under the influence of alcohol. No, I'm not. I don't drink. Anyway. So, drillio. And we've got a battery charger. I want to put that over here on the edge of insanity. Yeah, man. Yeah, buddy. Got some new Milwaukee batteries. Gotta like those, huh? Good old Milwaukee, boy. Good old Milwaukee. What's the battery charge on that one anyway? Ooh, it's charged. Ooh, she charged too. All right. Now I got them ones. Now, where am I going to put Big Bertha? The grinder. Oh, shit. I'm not thinking. Should go right there in the center. Now, let's just see. Oh, yeah, buddy. Yeah. Beauty. 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 That battery needs charging. So we'll come up here with that fella. That fella. There. And the cord. Just showing you my floor joists. They sexy. Oh, they're not. Now, I'll plug that one in there for now. Battery flashing. Nice. I'll plug that in there for now, and I'm gonna hold that cord back down just so it's not in Mama's face when she comes down here and be like, "What the hell are you doing with all these cords? What the hell going on?" Alrighty, that's not bad. I just need more tools to fill it up. And I gotta get my charger right here from my Milwaukee batteries. Look at that, boys. Oh, oh, oh. It loves it. Well, I said that I needed new tools, or more tools to fill it up, so would you look at that? Oops, can't see that. Can't see that. I can't show you. My wife will be mad. Got me a Milwaukee 1/2-inch compact hammer drill. Hammer time. Now, let me get oh, look at that, another bolt. Save that, might use that one day. Just cutting tape off, just 1 second. So I can open this thing up. It makes everything childproof, you know. So adults can't get in it. Children can. Adults, no. No, not adults. No, sir. Unveil it. Oof. Anticipation. I wonder if it came with a battery. What did it say? What's included in the box? Kit includes. No way. Look at that. For 129 bucks, okay? Got an impact hammer. 1 battery. Charger. And the case, of course. Now, let's see. Would you look at that? Bless my cotton socks. Everything that they said was in there is in there. 300 plus solutions inside. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, I got to take this out and try it. I just got stuff. So, this stuff sometimes don't come with a charger. I had to buy the charger separately. Yeah. That was a big PO. Oh, 1 second. I got lay you down for a minute. I got to take that little security tag off of there. 1 minute. Come on. Yes, sir, boys. Battery comes with a little bit of power. Not much. Needs to be charged up. Forgot that. Would you just look at that? My good God. Now, try and keep it clean. Forever and ever, amen. Put her up here so none of that dear gooey goodness rubs off on that beauty. Yep. I've decided that I'm going with, I'm going all Red Army because I got a brand new big battery like this one for my DeWalt, well, like this one actually, like that one, for this grinder, and it quit. Is only a couple years old. I believe it was bought in 2002, 2001 maybe. And anyway, this one here is an older battery still going. These are all old batteries still going. This is a new one. It's a newer battery. This one here is, oh, there's a date on it somewhere. There it is. Date on it, 2017, so it's not a new one. I don't know what I'm talking about. Less used, I guess. Yeah, so anyway, the guns are good, the batteries are good, but the big battery, the new one, I just bought that grinder last year, or not last year, 3 years ago, and the battery quit. And I don't even use that grinder very often. So I'm going to go with all this, and hopefully it'll work. I am going to pull that off of there, because I don't, would that be all right, I wonder? I know a car battery resting on concrete is not good. I wonder if that's all right, just sitting there. I don't know, but we'll find out. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Now, No, mister. I do not untangle you, but I don't have nowhere for the plug in. I think I'm going to put a plug station up here so I can just run my cords right up there. Tie them all back together. That in there too. Yeah. Well, boys and girls, that's it for today. That was awesome. I'll just throw that in there for now. That was out of Mama's way. These I don't know where they're going. That goes right there because I don't know where they go. Don't know what they're for. Don't know what they're for. Sorry guys, this is not a very good video, is it? But you know what? If you don't like it, you don't have to watch it. And if you watched it this far, thanks a lot. I appreciate you. Yes, I do. Honest to God. Yeah. Woo. Stepped off the concrete onto the gravel. Damn near rolled an ankle. Because I'm old like that. No. No. Put this here. I'm going to put this back on the shelf. Oh, welcome to my basement, boys and girls. Where she's partly gravel and partly concrete. Not a lot of concrete. Mostly gravel. Now, on a shelf. Find a shelf to stick this in. Yeah, I'm just going to put it right here. It's good for the girls' Legos I whip. Yes, sir. All right. Well, there she is. In all of her glory. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. And we'll see you on the next one. God bless. Peace.